Have you ever faced a situation where you couldn't get the right information or help because you weren't specific enough in your query? Can you recall a time when misunderstandings arose due to a lack of clarity and context during a conversation? How often do you double-check the information you receive from online sources before making critical decisions or sharing it with others? Interacting with artificial intelligence, especially GPT-based models like ChatGPT, can sometimes be tricky. The challenge lies in getting accurate, clear, and useful answers. This issue is comparable to everyday situations, where vague questions or lack of clarity can lead to misunderstandings or inadequate responses. Additionally, there's a danger in blindly trusting every piece of information these models provide, similar to how unchecked rumors can spread on social media. Just as a 2021 study showed that 59% of people share online news articles without verifying or even reading them. Using AI requires a level of discernment to ensure the information is reliable. With these strategies in hand, you'll master the art of engaging with GPT-based models effectively. Don't miss out on unlocking the full potential of this technology. Act fast, hit that subscribe button now and stay ahead of the curve. 1. Educate yourself on AI capabilities. The inner workings and capabilities of GPT models gives you an edge. In 2022, the MIT Technology Review highlighted how these models operate based on the vast data they're trained on. This understanding allows users to frame questions better and anticipate possible pitfalls in the responses. 2. Start with clear, specific queries. Drawing parallels from everyday conversations. A clear question often leads to a clear answer. When engaging with ChatGPT, a well-defined question can minimize ambiguities, just as being clear in a workplace email avoids confusion. 3. Provide sufficient context. In 2021 interpersonal communication study, it was shown that providing context reduces misunderstandings by up to 40%. Similarly, giving ChatGPT adequate background information ensures more accurate and contextual responses. 4. Refine and rephrase as needed. Language is fluid and open to interpretation. The Harvard Business Review in 2020 highlighted the importance of paraphrasing in communication to ensure understanding. If ChatGPT doesn't provide a satisfactory answer initially, rephrasing can lead to better results. 5. Engage in multi-step conversations. The best insights come from diving deep. Engage with ChatGPT in a back-and-forth manner, similar to how a researcher would probe during an interview, to get detailed insights. 6. Stay updated on GPT model evolutions. Technology is ever-evolving. As reported by TechCrunch in 2022, newer versions of GPT models have shown improvements in understanding and response accuracy. Being aware of these updates ensures you're always getting the best out of the technology. 7. Always cross-check critical information. The World Health Organization, during the COVID-19 pandemic, emphasized the importance of verifying information before sharing, as misinformation can be harmful. Similarly, always validate crucial details ChatGPT provides against trusted sources. 8. Feedback and continuous learning. As mentioned in a 2022 Forbes article, feedback loops are vital for AI systems to improve. While ChatGPT doesn't learn in real time from individual users, regularly engaging and understanding its strengths and weaknesses can refine your interaction strategy. Engaging with GPT-based models, like ChatGPT, can be as challenging as it is rewarding. The key lies in understanding the model's capabilities, being specific, providing context, refining interactions, and cross-checking critical information. By staying updated, refining your queries, and always being open to learning, you can ensure effective and productive interactions with these advanced AI systems.